Hannah, why don't you tell us about that time when there was a storm? Do you remember?
Yeah.
Tell me what you were tell me that.
Well, we had a room, and we sat on the couch.
Yeah?
And we was watching the news with my mommy, and my dad was bye-bye, and we turned the TV on, and I have it over there, and where was a bird on the tree on the leaf, and we was standing on a couch, and my mommy had feeding Malachi, and it didn't stay on the road.
What wasn't on the road?
A storm.
Oh, storm?
Yeah. We had it, but it was over to Daddy in our house, and it didn't stay on the road. It was bouncing.
Bouncing?
Like this.
Oh, the rain?
Yeah. No, a storm.
Oh.
Yeah. Not a rain.
Oh. And what about, can you tell me about when you hurt your eye? What happened?
I fell off my foot.
You fell off your trike?
Yep.
And then what happened?
We go to a hospital so I get my distance out. And
Over here?
get them in.
The stitches are over there?
Yeah.
And what
We
is
got
it?
them in now because I didn't like my Band-Aid.
You didn't like the Band-Aid? What did the doctor give you?
I don't know.
Remember what he gave you when you got your stitches?
I got that little baby with a little like this. And we have that thing with a white guy, and I have another guy with a pink one who got it from the doctor, and I got stickers there.
Got stickers?
Mm-hmm.
Can you put your leg down, please, and put your hands up here? Can you, when Grandpa watches this, can you tell Grandpa about carrots? Why you should eat carrots? Why should you eat carrots? Are they good for you?
Yeah.
What do carrots do for you?
My eyes.
To help your eyes? What's in carrots that helps your eyes?
I don't know.
No, you remember? Vitamin A.
Vitamin A.
What's in orange juice that's good for you? Remember?
Yeah.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
That's right.
My mommy didn't teach me that, I think.
She didn't teach you that?
Well,
Sometimes there's things that Grandma can teach you.
Huh?
Like vitamin A and vitamin C.
Do you know me some other songs?
Well, maybe you should eat your bagel so that we can do some other things. Why don't you eat and then we'll maybe...
Then we eat popcorn, then we want to watch the Cosby Show.
We want to watch the Cosby Show? Well, first you got to eat your supper.
Then I want to get popcorn. Now we eat a popcorn.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe we'll eat some popcorn if you get done with your supper.
Then I know watch the Cosby Show, but we eat popcorn.
You want to have popcorn while we watch the Cosby Show? Okay.
Is that your camera?
What are you eating?
Bagels.
Bagels with what?
With peanut butter.
Peanut butter. And what's in your pink cup?
Milk.
Milk? What's Malachi doing?
Going to sleep.
He's sleeping, isn't he?
Because he's tired.
Who's holding Malachi?
You.
Who am I?
Grandma Barb.
Grandma Barb. Where's Grandpa John?
At home.
He's at home, isn't he? What's he doing?
I don't know.
What do you think he might be doing?
Going to sleep.
Going to sleep? I don't think so, not yet.
Why?
He might be watching TV. Maybe he's watching a movie.
Mm-hmm.
What are Mom and Dad doing?
Growing up
Where did they go?
to a meeting.
To a meeting. Where at?
Where?
At church?
Yeah, maybe there.
Yeah. They went to a meeting at church.
Mm.
They get to have pizza.
Can I come?
No, we're staying home.
Hi.
Because it's just for grown-ups.
Oh,
We wouldn't want to be there. It wouldn't be that much fun.
no. When I get a blow up, I should go there too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
When you grow up, you can go to the meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But right now I'm little.
Yeah, right now you're little.
Mm-hmm. Little.
Little.
Little dog who keeps in the sky. Breaker. Breaker. Who's in the door? Me. Breaker. Who's in the door? Me.
I think you need to eat your bagel. Because if you don't eat your bagel,
What?
then we won't have time for popcorn. We want popcorn, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, before we can have popcorn, we have to eat supper.
Mm-hmm.
You better eat.
Remember we was over there and we didn't eat supper right now? Hi.
Hi.
I like your sock.
You like my shirt?
I like your sock.
Thank you.
Remember Daddy said we could play. I like your sock. Now my daddy said that we need to play hide and seek and I find them and we should play. Hi. My hair standing up. My hair standing up.
Your hair was standing up?
Yeah,
Mm.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Little bit. Why your coffee cup don't work?
Why doesn't my coffee cup work?
Mm-mm.
I don't know. The lid just doesn't work.
Mm.
It's clogged up or something.
Mm.
It worked yesterday.
Mm. But is a battery guy on it?
No, not the battery. It doesn't have a battery.
Mm.
I don't know what's wrong with it. Even Daddy tried to fix it and he couldn't do it. Maybe I'll have to have Grandpa look at it.
Mm-hmm.
You think Grandpa can fix it?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I think I'm going to go lay Malachi down
Maybe in a packing plane.
in the pack and play, yeah.
Oh.
But you need to eat, dear. Tell you what, you don't have to eat this one. We'll put that one away for tomorrow.
Yeah.
So you eat that one and your carrot and drink your milk.
Kate,
Okay?
I'll do that.
Okay.